Split string with multiple delimiters in Python. I found some answers online, but I have no experience with regular expressions, which I believe is what is needed here. I have a string that needs to be split by either a semicolon or comma, that is, it has to be either a semicolon or a comma followed by a space. Individual commas without trailing spaces should be left untouched. Example string. Should be split into a list containing the following.
Luckily, Python has this built-in smile. Update, following your comment.
Do a str dot replace semicolon comma 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 and then a str dot split comma.
Here's a safe way for any iterable of delimiters, using regular expressions. Re.escape allows to build the pattern automatically and have the delimiters escape nicely. Here's this solution as a function for your copy-pasting pleasure. If you are going to split often using the same delimiters, compile your regular expression beforehand like described and use reject_subject.split. If you'd like to leave the original delimiters in the string, you can change the regex to use a look-behind assertion instead. Replace question mark is lower than or equal to with question mark equals to attach the delimiters to the right-hand side, instead of left.
In response to Jonathan's answer above, this only seems to work for certain delimiters. For example, by putting the delimiters in square brackets it seems to work more effectively.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.